whatever I want.
Charles, come here. Okay, go ahead. Who's first?
We want to have a competition here.
Wait, Charles, you got to be in front of the camera.
I will.
Charles, he's killing you. Come over here, little girl.
As you get older, it just kind of goes away, though.
Is that what happened? Now it's starting to get it. My God, that girl can burp too now.
I only got one good one. You're making us a liar. I can't see your face. Move your hand. Adrian, move. Move your hand so we can see your mouth.
I can't do it like that anymore. If you really want to peek, why do that?
That was disgusting. You don't like that.
One more time. One nice one. And look at him. Here it comes.
Ew! Ew! Come out!
Yeah.
You lost it, Charles. We should have gotten you on. We should have gotten you on.
Okay, go put that on YouTube. Bro.
Hold on.
Okay, Tony's turn. Wait. No. You got Malika's.
Those kind of burps feel good.
Here's mine.
You sound like dying animals.
Oh my God!
That's enough. No, that feels good. I should start doing it more. There's babies.
Yeah, I'm done. I lied. Okay, now I'm done.